Do kids know how to play? No. We gotta let kids be kids at recess. Yes, we don't want them to pummel each other, but we also have to understand that they're taking their information from different sources, media, video games, other types of things that they probably maybe shouldn't be exposed to at such a young age, but they are taking that in. But we've got to figure out, if you can't play kickball, we got to play more kickball. Maybe we got to get in there and play kickball with them. But if we don't get our kids out and play more, it's going to get worse. With my littles, I'm not going to go crazy if they step in a puddle. I'm going to tell them, if you step in a puddle, you're going to be wet. It's not going to be comfortable. Sometimes we have extra clothes. If we can, that's great. But I do not want them to think that stepping in a puddle is the worst possible thing you can do. That's what kids do.